I'm Cyndi Bray of Denver, Colorado, and I am the inventor of the new laundry gadget, the Wad-Free. The Wad-Free prevents your bed sheets from tangling, twisting, and balling up into a wad in both the washing machine and the dryer. So the washer won't go off balance and your clothes dry up to 75% faster. Now in each package you receive 2 of my devices. It's very simple to use. You simply attach the 4 corners of each sheet that you want to run in the load. Very simply, like that. You can fill your machines to capacity. You can run mixed loads. Your clothes come out cleaner, less wrinkled, and they dry up to 75% faster. My business has been greatly impacted by COVID-19, most significantly in the manufacturing process. I am manufacturing here in the city of Denver, but I had to wait several months to launch because my manufacturer was busy making PPE equipment. I also had supply chain issues and have had to pivot my sales structure because the sales channels I had originally planned are not viable at the moment, so I'm strictly online at Wad-Free.com. I've had to quickly adapt and learn how to sell online, learn how to use social media, and also make my own videos for my website, which I also had to do by myself during the stay-at-home order. I would like people to know that I invented the Wad-Free because I was fed up with the way my sheets would twist and tangle into a wad every time I did laundry. The Wad-Free is a game changer. With the Wad-Free you can fill your loads to capacity, you can run mixed loads, your washing machine won't go off balance, your clothes dry up to 75% faster without having to shake out wads. The Wad-Free saves time, saves money, saves energy, and saves sanity. The Wad-Free is made here in Denver, Colorado out of partially recycled plastic. It is reusable, it's safe for your machines, it's safe on all fabrics, it works on every size and every type of sheet. I would also like people to know that I am donating 15% of the profits from my first production run to Feeding America's COVID-19 Response Fund. And in addition, I am donating 5% of my profits to the American Brain Tumor Association, which is my charitable co-venture partner. So don't get your sheets in a wad, get the Wad-Free, available only at wadfree.com.